Welcome to this video on Exploratory Data Analysis, or EDA. Today, we're diving into an essential process for understanding and analyzing datasets. We'll walk through the key steps and tools you need to know to explore data effectively. Let's get started. First, here's the outline of what we'll cover in this video. We'll begin by introducing EDA and its importance in data science. Then, we'll move on to understanding the structure of data, exploring relationships between features, and describing data distributions. Next, we'll discuss how to handle missing data and outliers. Finally, we'll see how Python libraries like Pandas and Seaborn simplify the EDA process. Before wrapping up with a summary of everything we've learned. Exploratory data analysis, or EDA, is a process of investigating a dataset to uncover its main characteristics. This involves summarizing the data, identifying patterns and relationships, and spotting anomalies or missing data. The ultimate goal is to prepare the data for further analysis or modeling. Let's start by understanding the structure of data. The first step is to determine the size of the dataset, such as the number of rows and columns. Then, we categorize the features as either categorical or numerical. In the code snippet shown, we use Pandas to load a dataset, determine its size using the shape attribute, and inspect the types of features with the info method. Next, we explore relationships between features. Scatterplots help us visualize relationships between numerical features, while correlation coefficients give us a numerical summary of the strength and direction of these relationships. For instance, a positive correlation means that as one feature increases, the other tends to increase too. The provided code demonstrates how to create scatterplots and calculate correlation values. Another important aspect is describing data distributions. Here, we look at the shape of the data. Is it symmetric, skewed, or multimodal? Histograms and box plots are great tools for this. They provide visual insights into how data points are distributed and help us understand any deviations from symmetry. The code in this slide shows how to create these visualizations using Python. Handling missing data and outliers is crucial for a clean dataset. Missing data can occur for various reasons and is categorized as missing completely at random, missing at random, or missing not at random. Outliers, on the other hand, are extreme values that differ significantly from others. The code snippet here demonstrates how to detect missing values and outliers using Pandas and the interquartile range. Python libraries like Pandas and Seaborn are invaluable for EDA. Pandas provides functions like describe for summary statistics and info for feature types. Seaborn offers advanced visualizations such as pair plots to explore relationships between multiple features. These tools make the process of data exploration both efficient and effective. To summarize, exploratory data analysis helps us uncover patterns, relationships, and anomalies in datasets. The key steps involve understanding dataset structure, identifying relationships between features, describing distributions, and handling missing data and outliers. Using tools like Pandas and Seaborn streamlines this process and makes EDA accessible to anyone working with data. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.